set of Python modules used for writing video games. Moreover, it consists of computer graphics and sound libraries were designed with Python used to development of games only. So here, as I'm going to show here, if you have idea about Python, very easy. First of all, I'm going to import the Pygame, then Pygame.init, then I'm going to size as screen size as 600, 600. Then I'm going to go screen Pygame.display.set mode of size. Then I'm going to give the caption is brick breaker game, and floor I'm giving Pygame.rect of 100, 550, 200, 10. And here also I'm giving the Pygame.size ball size, and I'm giving score initially 0. Then move 1, 1 because step by step in the brick it will move, and continue game I'm giving 2. Then I'm giving green value, white value, black value, pink value, orange value, red value, and I'm going to generate the bricks B1, B2, B3. So B1 I'm giving the measurements like this, and B2 I'm giving, B3 I'm giving, then draw the bricks on the screen I'm giving. For this one I'm calling the draw brick. Okay, draw the brick function. Then I'm going to give while condition for continue the game. Then I'm going to give Pygame.draw. Then followed by the floor move. Then I'm going to give the size and everything. Then I'm going to again draw bricks of B1, B2, B3. As in the screen it come properly. Then I'm giving the ball size. We are giving ball.x equal to ball.x plus move up 0 and so on, move up 1. And I'm going to do the conditions. Then I'm going to continue the coding, where if not press the user, or you are not pressing the balls properly movement, it is a game over immediately. And giving all the measurements and going to complete the code, all the conditions follow. If score is like that, at last I'm going to end with Pygame.time of wait of 1, and runtime if you want you can change the timing and everything. At last I'm going to execute it. So the simple way with the help of Pygame you can run the coding. See, so simple and easy. So once again showing possible, you can see. Yeah, this is a way how we can gen and you can run the program or project anywhere. It may take some time. So we have to wait. It is a hello from Python community, and continue here. Yeah, hello from the Pygame community, and going to display the output. Yeah, so the way. So with the ball size only can be person showing. Okay, this is a way. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.